Dangshu, my admitted staff division 38.
Application করে ফেলেছেন হায়ার সেকেন্ডারি গভর্নমেন্ট অলরেডি টেকেন ডিসিশন অলরেডি ব্যবস্থা করেছে তাই তো এটা অলরেডি আমার কাছে লিস্ট আছে
আপডেট তো করা হয়েছে কিন্তু এখানে
We all know education is the future of this state, but I would like to draw your kind attention and request the department to intervene the matter. Let me give you example of 4 schools in my constituency: Upendra Rwajapara High School, Karamcherrao High School, Binonda Dekoma High School, Ratan Raja High School. We all understand that it's a matter of statistic and numbers of pass-out students that it will upgrade or not upgrade. But when these school students pass out and they take admission in other school, due to very limited higher secondary school in my constituency, they take admission in other school like Vidyajyoti. So in Vidyajyoti, when they go and when they start taking admission, what happens during their classes? Because they come from Bagwi to English and they face inconvenience because of that. Due to less number of higher secondary school, they study in English and they face many problems. So I would like to request department to look into this same 4 schools to upgrade into higher secondary for the betterment of the students. Thank you.
38 MLS in Dangshu. Question number 1: is there any plan to government to upgrade high school to higher secondary school under 48 Karamcherrao Assembly constituency at present? Answer: Education Department has no plan to upgrade any high school to higher secondary school under 48 Karamcherrao Assembly constituency. If yes, then where and which are these? In respect to answer question number 1, this question does not arise. তবুও আপনার অবগতির জন্য জানাচ্ছি যে at present there are 15 numbers higher and higher secondary school in 48 Karamcherrao Assembly constituency under state government. Out of these schools, there are 10 high schools and 5 higher secondary schools. আছে এখানে if necessary in future department will consider upgradation of high to higher secondary school under 48 Karamcherrao constituency. দেখা গেল গভর্নমেন্টের একটা প্ল্যান রয়েছে তো এখানে বর্তমানে নেই কিন্তু ভবিষ্যতে প্ল্যান রয়েছে। আমি দেখেছি রাজ্য সরকারের মধ্যেই হাই টু হায়ার সেকেন্ডারি 19টা করেছে তো এবছর এবং এমপি টু হাই পর্যন্ত তাহলে ফিউচার প্ল্যান ইজ